Boo! Did I scare you? You probably clicked on this video because of the title, or because you're one of my 81 subscribers and you wonder where I've been. Anyway, I have quite a lot of experience with this website called Scratch, a website for programming using blocks, mostly for teaching people who are new in the world of programming, helping people to learn how to code logically and use their brain. So, I decided to take a challenge on myself by attempting to recreate Gorilla Tag in Scratch, because I'm a Gorilla Tag content creator. Now, with that aside, you might be asking yourself, how can you create Gorilla Tag in Scratch? Isn't it impossible to create a heavy rendering 3D VR hand tracking game on a 2D game maker that runs on a browser? And the answer is yes. It is impossible to create such a game on Scratch. But in this video, I'm going to attempt recreating Gorilla Tag in 2D in Scratch. Now, for the rules. Number 1, I am not allowed to use any AI in the process of making this project, nor any resources of code from the internet. I'm gonna have to do it on my own, all by myself. Second, I have to complete it in under 6 hours total. I'm obviously not going to record this video for 6 hours straight, so I'm gonna allow myself to take breaks. Now, number 3. There is no number 3. I mean, what would you expect? Anyway, so with all that aside, let's finally get into the video. I guess I'll start by creating the player sprites. By the way, this is editor Blue Twig right here. I'm gonna fast forward in this video a lot, since, this is a 6 hour video in total. Alright, so now I guess I'm gonna try to make the hands follow the mouse cursor in direction, because in order for me to be able to play, I mean, I guess what I'm aiming to is to make the hands follow the mouse cursor, and by that you can push yourself from the ground and move like in Gorilla Tag, just in 2D. So let's do that. So this works, I guess. Now I gotta make the collision. I hope this isn't gonna be as much of a trouble. Right now I'm trying to experiment with the code, basically trying to make the hands collide with the ground. To be honest, I don't know why this took me so long. Yes! Yes, finally. Jeez. This took longer than I thought it would. Alright, now for the other hand. Alright, so now that the collision checking is done, I gotta make the pushing. I mean, pushing the ground. In Gorilla Tag, you push the ground in order to move forward, so you, same will be here. This sure won't be as difficult as making the collision, right? Foreshadowing. So part 1 of pushing is done. Now all I gotta do is make it move left and right, and make it that if you push lightly, you'll move a short distance, and if you push hard, you'll move a far distance. I mean, this didn't take so long, so I don't think the rest will. I'm actually kind of surprised. This entire part is just for making the player accelerate depending on how hard you pushed. This part alone took me like 20 minutes to figure out since I've never worked with lists in Scratch before. So, yeah. Alright, so this works. This works. I mean, I'm kind of glad that this works because I've never worked with lists before, and I don't know. Just look at him jump. It's cool. For some reason, this doesn't work as good as the other hand, so let me try to fix it. I want to see what's the problem. I don't really know what I did because I don't think I changed anything, but it works better now. So, anyway, now it's time for the horizontal movement. Um, yeah. So, this works pretty well. Again, I'm saying this, but I thought all this would actually take much longer. Cool. Okay, so now I'm actually going to draw the gorilla instead of having a blue blob running around. So, here we go. So, we have a gorilla. The face is a little creepy, but we'll get used to it. Oh, see what happened there? That's why we gotta make a horizontal collision too. So, while I rack my brain back there, I want to tell you about the sponsor of this video, Blue Twig VR's YouTube channel. Yes, did you know you can see more content like this in the future if you subscribe to this YouTube channel? And you'll get notified instantly by just clicking the notification bell. Also, don't tell this guy I told you he'd pay me extra if at least 10 people subscribed. Anyway, back to the video. So I settle on this that instead of like in real life when you walk, you put your leg forward and then you push yourself backward. Here I did that you need to just straight push yourself, because I couldn't really figure out anything else. I mean, otherwise the horizontal collision would bug, and I don't want that. But it's fine. I can live with this. Let me just fix this real quick. And this. So now that all the physics and gameplay is done, I need to create the map. And of course, I'm gonna do the most iconic Gorilla Tag map, the forest. So let's get to that. So this is it. This is Gorilla Tag in Scratch. It has some bugs and a lot of places for improvement, but I'm really happy with it. I love it. Um, so this is the end of the video. If you liked this video, I mean, you can like it. I'm not gonna force you to subscribe.
Bye bye!